Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about kalanchoes. You may be familiar with them as a plant. They also make fabulous cut flowers. Yes, some varieties are very long stemmed. When you get them in, key is that you want to remove this lower foliage. If you get rid of that foliage, it's not attractive, so it's not necessary, but if you remove that, all the energy then stays with the blooms, and believe it or not, these will actually last weeks. Yes, I said that, weeks plural. They're super, super long lasting. They'll continue to open out with the buds. Just remove that foliage, any damaged stems, give it a cut. And then when you put it in water, you want shallow water, nothing deep. If you put it in deep water, it rots. So don't do that. Just a nice, clean stem, cut, and shallow water. Now you know how to take care of your kalanchoe.